Impact of technology on the environment. I want to express my concern about the impact of technology and its advance in the environment. Currently, cell phones, monitors, and televisions contain toxic materials such as lead and mercury, and the pollution the environment. Garbage such emissions are increasing. From my point of view is continuous concessions and environmental pollution, global warming, and environmental damage will be inevitable. I think that if people don't change their habits when it's come to recycling awareness is not generated, we will have an environmental impact that will affect future of your families to point the energy and natural resource and not having a cleaner to create tomorrow and suitable environment to live. The, 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 the United Nations must take measures and establish policies to improve the environmental crisis, whether the consumption of oil is generated and be can be more ecological and durable clean technology to reduce pollution, clean air, and clean fuels. Thank you.